So we kick off today at the stables of music imprint n-tyze Entertainment and the brewing contract troubles with its frontline act, Humblesmith. The management of the imprint appears to have instituted a 10 million naira lawsuit against the Osinachi singer for damages of contract breach, assault, and intimidation over a passport theft claim. The suit is also asking the court to stop the artist from performing in any musical shows, concerts, releasing any album, jingles, and appearing in the event until the suit is determined. This is coming about 24 hours after the singer posted a notification of parting ways with the record label for what he calls funds mismanagement. To help us get a full understanding of what is going on now is the lawyer to the record label, Keshi Elvis, who is on the phone with us right now. So, can you briefly help us understand what exactly is going on now between Humblesmith and the record label?
All right. Humblesmith was signed on by DG Records. Bob Ovie Williams was part of DG Records. They were managing him. They invested so much on Humblesmith, but he couldn't really come up with any hit album. Consequent upon where DG Records decided to withdraw from the contracts. Bob Ovie Williams decided, as Kelly, decided to take up the responsibility. Between 2015 and 2018, he managed him without signing any contract with him. But the agreement was, you manage me, whatever comes in, we split, we share. It took him around 10 European countries, spent over 42 million naira on video shoots with Davido, with Tiwa Savage, with different artists, celebrities. Did his album launch in 2018 and they signed a formal contract in 2018 between Bob's company and Humblesmith. The contract was a 10-year contract. They signed 2018, subject to renewal. And if you have to withdraw from the contract, both parties have procedures to follow. The problem now is Humblesmith possibly started getting advice from left and right, and he met one certain lawyer, Ojukwu, who now said the contract was a nullity. So that is where the issue started. We tried to, forward every necessary documentation. He said it was a nullity. The next thing they did was to write to anti-kidnap units at Zone 2. And they came and laid siege on Kelly, arrested him, broke him down psychologically, wanted him to commit that he does not have a contract with Humblesmith. They brought up a phony tale that he stole Humblesmith's international passport. So we had to take steps. That is just the genesis of everything. We have to take steps. Let us let the court intervene. If the contract is genuine, if it's an illegal contract, let the court interpret the position. That is our position.
Well, thanks so much for your thoughts on the situation. Humblesmith ventured into the entertainment industry as an actor, starring in a number of direct-to-DVD home videos before signing his first contract as a professional artist in 2014. His lawyer, barrister Chijoke Ojukwu, is also on the phone with us to state his side of the story. So please, go ahead, barrister.
So the position is very simple. There is the issue of the proposal contract executed between Humblesmith and the management of n-tyze Entertainment. Now, it is a fundamental principle of law that in any contract, for a contract to be valid, both parties must have a give and take. So there must be a consideration furnished by both parties to a contract. But what you see in the purported contract is a position where all the contracts are given to n-tyze Entertainment without any obligation. And more importantly, is the fact that they included a power of attorney clause, which purports to give them a first term of 10 years, an irrevocable term of 10 years, and then five consecutive years. So on the whole, it's about 20 years. And they do not furnish any single consideration for that clause. You cannot make somebody give you an irrevocable power of attorney without a consideration in law. So that is one. So we are saying on the basis of that clause, and in the absence of any consideration proceeding from n-tyze Entertainment to Humblesmith, that contract is invalid. That is one. Then, secondly, is the fact that during the course of their relationship, that a director and CEO of n-tyze Entertainment stole a passport belonging to Humblesmith. Stole Humblesmith's international passport. So, on that grounds, we were compelled to make a police complaint to Zone 2. And then upon his arrest, the CEO of n-tyze Entertainment provided the passport. So, which justifies our petition and our allegation that he stole the passport.
Well, thanks again so much, Barrister, for coming onto the program and sharing your side of things. We will continue to keep an eye on this one to see how it all pan out.